Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need a small, easy-to-use trencher that will dig up to 18 inches deep, we recommend the T4 trencher from Groundhog. This machine is operator-propelled and fits through narrow gates and doorways. Additionally, it will trench close to walls and fences, allowing you to complete a variety of trenching projects. As with the safe operation of any equipment, be sure to review and follow all safety procedures and wear the proper safety gear. This includes safety glasses, hearing protection, work gloves, protective clothing, a dust mask or respirator, and sturdy work boots. Always keep all parts of your body and clothing away from the digging chain, auger, and other moving parts of the machine. While operating the trencher, make sure people and pets are a minimum of 15 feet away from the machine at all times. Never operate the trencher indoors. Always assume the digging location contains underground utilities and obstructions. Call 811 and contact the appropriate utility companies to determine if and where electrical cables, gas lines, water lines, and other utilities are buried before operation. To start the trencher, be sure the digging chain is in the up position with the depth control lever all the way down. When starting the engine, make sure to stand to the rear of the trencher, away from the auger and digging chain. Turn the kill switches on. Open the fuel valve and move the choke to the closed position. Gently pull the engine cord. As the engine warms, slowly move the choke to the open position. To adjust the depth control, make sure the engine is running at idle. Lift up on the handlebar, pull the depth control handle up, and then push down on the handlebar until the depth control handle locks into the desired setting. Now, apply downward pressure to the handlebar to lift the digging chain off the ground. Increase the engine speed to full throttle and use both hands to hold on to the handlebar. The digging chain should begin to move. Slowly release the downward pressure on the handlebar and allow the digging chain to penetrate the soil until you reach your desired trenching depth. To trench, use an intermittent pulling action. Pull the trencher toward you 4 to 6 inches, then relax your pull, allowing the trencher to reach the desired depth again. Repeat this action until you've finished your job. When your trenching project is complete, raise the digging chain by pushing down on the handlebar and pulling up on the depth control lever. Then lift up on the handlebar until the digging chain locks into the up position. Turn off the stop switch on the handlebar and close the fuel valve. Allow the trencher to cool before touching or transporting it. When you're ready to return the unit to the rental center, make sure to wipe it down with a rag and rinse the digging chain with a garden hose. Properly secure the trencher upright in your vehicle or trailer for transport. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.